Here's a Pontiac you won't see every day. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Of course, 58. Bonneville became its own model, and the Pontiac lineup was only made in a two-door hardtop and a convertible, as you can see here. Two-door hardtop model. Now, little history on this car. This has been with the same two families since new, so it's a two-family car. As far as the color combination on this, it'd be Marlin Turquoise and Patina Ivory, which is a PVV paint code. So it appears that this car, the way you see it now, is the original color that it would have came from Pontiac back in 1958. Underneath the hood, 370 cubic inch V8, and that is paired with a super hydromatic transmission, which would have been an option. Now, as far as paint on this car, as you can see, shows its age, no doubt about that. Kind of a survivor, if you will. Chrome and bright work, not bad. Notice we got a dinger up here in the hood trim. Now this car, we have had it running, driving around our shop here. It's one of those where, you know, take it and a little TLC to it, give it the once over. Tires, age, brakes, but we have had it driving. Before you take any sort of long trip, anything like that, may want to give it the once over. We haven't had it running and driving around here. Or it's one of those, this is a pretty desirable car. Somebody wants to take this, restore it, bring it back to its original glory. Great car to do that on. Now, remember, our still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This car would be equipped with power steering, power brakes, also has power windows. I had all the windows operating except for this passenger rear one right here. Otherwise, all the power windows did work on it. Come around to the rear. I want to show you some of the paint here. Obviously, you can see where it's kind of stained. Great patina look on the car. Like I said, if you guys want to just go through, make sure it's the way you want it before driving it. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation of our cars that we sell. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in and email. And we do have service technicians in our back shop that give the cars the once over, and you're sure welcome to go over that with the sales associate when you call in or email also. Still has the original, looks like, dealer insignia on the back of it. And again, you can see the bright work back here. I mean, yes, it does show its age some, but considering a 58 and more of a survivor type car that rather than restored, pretty nice shape. Do have some pitting down here that you can see. There's also underside pictures of the car on our website, interior, engine bay, of course. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest way, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Little of the service that we did do to this, does have a new battery in it. The rag joint in the steering was also replaced. Of course, the Bonneville in 58. This style really only made for a year. So again, you just don't see a lot of these around, especially only made in two-door hardtops and convertibles. Come to the interior again. More survivor type condition. Door panels. Of course, there's your power window switches down here. And there's pictures of the data tag, VIN plate, and everything. Here's where these cars really get cool. Just take a look at all the chrome that went into this. Of course, your safeguard, speed, limiting alarm, if you will. Check out that dash. Lots of chrome. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Said car starts easily. Seems to run smooth. Take a look at the shape the dash is in. Headliner also in good shape. Cloth vinyl seat combination. Here's the fronts. May have been reupholstered along the line somewhere. But really not full of rips or tears, or showing a ton of wear. Again, kind of a little more of a Survivor type finish. Look how nice that door closes. Nothing crazy as far as that V8 rumble. Pretty nice sounding car, but again, if you want to go through exhaust, go through things like that, check out the underside pictures. And it is a candidate to take to a whole new level and bring back to its glory, or go through it. Just make sure it's up to your liking. Take it for a spin and fun Sunday driver. Alright, I'm up to the front here. I want to pause this. I want to pop this hood so I can show you the engine bay. Let's check that out. Alright, listen to that. Smooth runner. Again, doesn't look like anything's really been modified, molested underneath here. Once again, power steering, power brakes, but look at the very cool. So there you go, 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Nice looking two-door hardtop in Marlin turquoise and patina ivory, which is the original colors this car would have came in. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.